A very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain the later part of the first chapter of your history book. In the previous class, we discussed why did people travel in the past and why do they travel nowadays. Today we will discuss the heading Names of the Land. From ancient times, our country has been known by two names, one India and the other is Bharata. As you know, the name India comes from the word Indus. The Iranians and the Greeks who came through the northwest about 2500 years ago called it the Hindus or the Indus, and the land they called India. The name Bharata was used for a group of people who lived in the northwest. The name Bharata was also mentioned in the earliest composition in Sanskrit, the Rig Veda. Later, the name was used for the whole country. Next, you can see the heading Finding Out About the Past. Under this heading, you will know about the different sources of history. Manuscripts and inscriptions are two main sources of finding about the past. Do you know what is manuscript? Manuscripts are books written long ago on palm leaves or bark of a tree known as birch. Many of the manuscripts were eaten by insects and destroyed, but still many have survived. The subjects of these books were basically religious beliefs and practices, lives of the kings, medicine and science. Besides, there were epics, poems and plays, etc. The languages used to write those manuscripts were Sanskrit, Prakrit and Tamil. Another source of history that I have mentioned already is inscriptions. Inscriptions are written on relatively hard surfaces such as stone, metal. A lot of informations are received from inscriptions which were mostly found in historical as well as archaeological sites. You can see a picture of inscription in your book. Besides remains of buildings, the archaeologists excavated tools, weapons, pots, ornaments made of stone, bones, baked clay or metal, etc., which are also significant sources of history. Historians use all the above mentioned sources to study our past. You can see some pictures in your book. Now, next heading is One Past or Many. Towards the end of the chapter, you will get a short explanation why the title of this book is Our Past and why the word past is used in plural. It is because to draw attention to the fact that the past was different for different groups of people. For example, the past of the herders and farmers was not same with the past of kings and queens. That's why the word past is used in plural. The final heading of the chapter is, as you have seen, what do dates mean? The years we generally speak about are counted from the date when Jesus Christ was born. In this book, the dates refer to time going back from the present. So that's the end of the explanation of this chapter. I am going to attach worksheets, homeworks with it. Please complete all and submit to me through my WhatsApp number. Thank you.